What's up, guys? We are back and we are about to go kayaking or canoeing, probably kayaking. I want to do kayaking. I don't think he ever kayaked by himself, but he's been canoeing. But I want to do kayaking, so we're gonna shoot for kayaking. Had to make a stop to get some fuel. No, this is not the best of the best. This is just something to keep me going while I'm out there. Since this little guy, he already has something to eat. All right, guys, so we are headed to the kayaks. I got the Devin's World with me. They've changed the plans, guys. You have to reserve them all online, and they don't have anything available until 5:30. It's like 3 o'clock, and I don't want to wait that long because I got some work I need to do when I get home. So this kid decided we'll ride the birds. This will be my first time, so we're gonna see how this goes. Last time I was on two wheels, I was in a bad accident. We'll see how this goes. We did get to ride the bird. We're not done. We're gonna ride that a little bit longer because we can't kayak or canoe because, well, we can, but the time frame is just like, I don't want to be out here that long. Really need to go to Best Buy because I'm looking at getting, I think I may have said it before, the Canon G7X, I think is what it's called, or the Sony, I can't even think of the name of the model number, but I want to go look at them. tell you guys the story on my leg. That's another reason why I don't really get on two-wheel vehicles or anything with two wheels, other than a mountain bike. That's my favorite mountain bikes. But motor-wise, not so much. Still got the little guy with me.
Hey guys, so we just got done riding the birds and it was super fun. How was it for you?
Yeah, I had fun. This was my first time doing it. I'll probably end up doing it again. I really wanted to kayak, but they didn't have them available until 5:30. They already reserved, so I know now you got to go online and reserve it before you can actually ride it.
That was a big bummer.
It was, because I was excited to go, but there's always a next time.
Yep. And now we're heading to Best Buy.
Yeah, we're about to go look at some
cameras.
Yep, for vlogging. Right now we're using the GoPro Hero 3, and we also have the DJI Action. But I really want the Canon G7X, I think is what it's called, Mark III. Or the Sony. I can't think of the Sony model, no. But I've been really doing a lot of reviews, and we're gonna check it out. We're about to go in shortly and see what they have.
Yep. Alright, we made it to Best Buy. So we can look at these cameras if we have it. If they have it.
Yep.
So, what are they called again?
Canon G7X.
So the Canon G7X and the Sony something.
I forgot the bottom one. The Blink. Or we're probably going to end up going with the Ring. I had one of these I sent it to one of my friends, but I really want one like this but without the rough area. Probably gonna go with it. I think that's the one I really want. Love smart devices. Smart devices are pretty cool. All right, let's see, can we find the cameras? Oh, here we go. Canon G7X. That's the Mark III, and this is the Mark II. Not really sure what the difference is, and I think, let me see, the Sony. This may be the Sony. That's not. That's pretty cool though, but that's not the one I was looking at. Let's see, the Sony is. I don't see the Sony. Okay, so these are the ones that we're looking at. The Mark III. I don't know what's the difference in 3 or the 4. I really hadn't looked at it. I mean 3 or the 2, but I've really been looking at the 3. Mark III. G7X. And I got that one also, which is the 3rd generation. I got the one with
Yeah, that one too.
Yeah. This type of gadgets. That's the Nest. And anyway, I actually installed one of these at one of my friends' home. I know a lot of people that have the Osmos. I really wasn't thrilled with the Nest. And not so much with the Blink either, but I really like the Blink. Osmo Pocket. But it's not going to be versatile what I'm trying to do. Alright guys, that concludes another video of A Day in the Life of Corey
and Devin's World.
I want to thank you guys for coming in, subscribing, and watching our videos. Until next time,
we're out.